Okay, I've recently purchased a Foundation Devices Passport wallet, and it's a fantastic little device. Really wanted to show you how easy it is to send Bitcoin from it, even though it's fully air-gapped. And so I've gone ahead and I've set up the wallet, and I've paired it with Blue Wallet, which is a fantastic mobile wallet that I use regularly and definitely recommend for those just starting out or for those kind of with some experience with Bitcoin. And so in just a moment, I've kind of queued up a transaction here. We'll send it out from the device, and you'll kind of see how quick and easy it is. You know, this device, it's interesting. It actually, if you're old enough to remember what the original iPod looked like, wow, the functionality feels very similar. So very intuitive, easy to use. And let's get to it. All right, so I've gone ahead and copied the destination wallet address kind of off screen. So what we'll do is we'll hit send, and we'll send, I guess, not sats, but we'll send $10 of Bitcoin, and then we'll paste my, right, it is still there, and it is, and we'll just write test in the field here. So now we've queued up $10 worth of Bitcoin going to this address. The fee is 226 sats. So let's hit next. Now you'll see this QR code appear, and there's a little disclaimer here. This is a partially signed Bitcoin transaction. Please finish signing it with your hardware wallet. So we'll go over to Passport, and you see how it says sign with QR code. So we'll select that. And now all we have to do is hover over. We're going to scan it. And then you'll have some confirmation details on the Passport device itself. The amount will continue, the network fee, and now we'll sign. And so you'll see now there's a QR code that displays right on the Passport hardware wallet itself. So over here back on Blue Wallet, we'll hit scan sign transaction, and we'll hover over the QR code on the hardware device, and it's picked it up. Send now. I'm going to have to actually juggle a few things here. I don't have a real high-tech setup going on for my identity. And that's it. We're done. So we never had to plug anything into a computer. We never had to take a micro SD card out of the wallet device and transfer it back and forth between phone and device or computer. It's just a matter of scanning a few QR codes, and you're done. And that is so easy. I think they've created a great product. Definitely head over to the Foundation Devices website for tutorials on how to get it started and how to pair it with popular mobile wallets. But this will definitely be my go-to Bitcoin wallet on a go-forward basis. Thanks for watching.